Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Walmart Money Card online. First, visit the official website or download the mobile app for easy access. You will then need your card number and security code to register your account if you have not already done so. Log in using your established username and password to enter your secure online portal. This initial step ensures you can fully manage your funds from anywhere, giving you complete control. Checking your balance online is one of the most frequent and useful features. After logging in, look for your current funds clearly visible on the main screen of your account dashboard. This immediate update helps you stay informed about your spending capacity. You can confirm your available balance quickly, which is crucial for managing daily purchases and avoiding overdrafts, providing peace of mind. Reviewing your transaction history online offers valuable insights into your spending habits. Within your account, simply click on the Transaction History tab to view every purchase and deposit made with your card. You can usually sort these transactions by date or type, making it easier to track your expenditures. This detailed record helps you budget effectively and quickly spot any unauthorized activity, ensuring your financial security. Adding money to your Walmart Money Card is straightforward using the online platform. You have several convenient options, including setting up direct deposit from your employer or transferring funds from a linked bank account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to initiate a one-time transfer or schedule recurring deposits. This flexibility ensures your card always has funds when you need them, providing a reliable way to manage your finances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.